Hi, welcome back to the GCE Panel online. Today we present an introduction to the updates we're making into the system, which can help you guys to have the best of what you need for your GCE as you prepare. Well, we've not done so much, but we're still working on everything. So first of all, I would just like to start with this exam page that we have here. This is the live practice exam for the GCE. It's live practice for the GCE exam page. You just click on start exams and it takes you here. All right, so this is June 2024. GCE O Level Maths Paper 1. So the first question here reads, given that 36 divided by 9 equals 4, 4 is known as what? We know about quotient, dividends divided by divisor equals quotient, and the remainder here is 0. So the dividend here is 36, the divisor is 9, and the quotient is 4. The remainder is 0, okay? So 4 here is the quotient. That gives us equation 2. So when you answer the question correctly, you have a green tick. If I just go back, see a green tick, right? So the bar is, it's highlighted green. This indicates that you have the correct answer. That takes us to the next question now. The next prime number greater than 23 is 29, and so on. So as you answer the questions, you can see your grades. So as of now, I have 2 questions out of 50, and my score is 4%. So if I just keep on moving, just keep moving and so on, I can answer as many questions as possible. But this is for the live practice. If you want to actually see the questions and the answers, I'm also going to show you in this video how you can do that, because this is for the live practice. You are just looking at the grades and what your score is. First of all, how did I get to this page? So let me just move backwards a bit and we see how I got here. Let me exit the full screen. So for me to get here, first of all, I might go to the home page or just go directly to O Level. So if I go to the home page, for me to get there, I'll click on O Level and it will take me to the different O Level subjects. And I'm going to select 0570 mathematics, and it takes me there, right? So for 0570 mathematics, these are the different years, the papers, the solutions, the practice, and so on. I can also click on O Level, and you take me directly there. You know that this displays differently on your phone, right? So on your phone, you're going to see something like this. The display is going to be a bit different. Yeah, you're going to see something like this. You're going to click on this bar here. You go to O Level, and it's going to take you there. So on the phone, this is how it is going to be displayed. Perfect. So we are under O Level right now. So this particular year is 2024. So I'll go to mathematics, 0570 mathematics. And the year is 2024. So under 2024, what we are looking at is a live exam practice. So I'll click on live exam. And you see, it takes me to that page of 2024, that's live exam. And you can click now here on start exam. And click on start exam. It takes us back to this page. Now we're beginning because actually from the start. So you take full screen. And perfect. So our answer was quotient for number 1. Number 2, it was 29. Number 3, we had the absolute value of -1 minus 9 is 10. And so on. So we can go on ahead for this one. A union B, prime or complement. Question 15. Just keep on moving on to the last one. Let me just go to the last one so that you see what happens when you submit. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay. So whenever you answer a question and it's not correct, you know that it's going to be, the bar is going to be red. But if the answer is correct, you're going to see green. Okay. Like for this one, the answer here is 10, so that is green. The next one, the answer here is actually 180 plus 26 degrees. So that is 206 degrees. However, if I choose the wrong answer, you see, it's marked red. So let me just go to the last question and we see when we submit what's going to be my grade. As of now, I have 4 questions correct out of 50, though I'm still answering them. Okay, so the range here is 8. Here, the median is 3. Here, the mode is 8. And 50, the probability that does not means 1 minus 2 feet. So that's going to be 3 feet. So if I submit, what's going to be the result? So when I submit, it tells me that I passed 8 questions out of 50 questions. My percentage is 16%. My grade is U grade, which means I failed. So here, these are the different questions that I missed. So I missed question 4, 5, 6, and so on, question 4, 5, 4, 6. So at this point, I can restart the exam Or preferably, I may go now to review the paper itself to see the questions and the answers, okay? So if I have to review this, I'll just go to O level again. O level and select mathematics, go to the mathematics page. I guess the mathematics page, I may want to download this paper. I want to download it, I'll just go to 2024 paper 1. And this is the paper here. You can see these are the questions also. But these ones do not have the answers and all those other things. So for me to download, move right down to the bottom of the page. Down to the bottom of the page. Perfect. And at the bottom of the page, you see go to full step-by-step solution. So this one you can see the solutions, the corrections, or you can decide to download the paper. When you click on download, it's going to open like this. And it opens like this. You can click on this arrow that points right here, this pop out. You click on it, it now opens maybe in the drive or wherever, the cloud, the storage, wherever it is on your phone. So on your phone, you're going to see this and then you're going to click on you're going to see download button to click somewhere to download. And you can always download, but here the download button is on this side. So I'll click on download. So this paper is being downloaded. And this is it that's downloaded. So I can get it now inside my phone, go to my download folder, and I'm going to see this paper inside, okay? So here is the paper. Actually, too, maybe I want to do something else. Okay. I just don't want to download the paper. I can do something else. Maybe I want to look better. There are solutions of this paper. So I'll go back. Like I said, not all the years are there. We're still working on a lot of things. So let me see. I want to I want to look at the solutions to the paper. Okay. So these are the solutions now. So I can now go to question 1. Given that 36 divided by 9 equals 4, 4 is known as, so I don't know the answer, right? I can click on show answer. It shows me the answer. It shows that the answer is quotient, okay? And it tells me that the first one is the dividend. After the division side, you have the divisor, and the next is the quotient, okay? So this shows me the answer of what I was supposed to have. And then the next prime number greater than 23 is, I don't know the answer, I click on this. So a prime number is a number that has 2 factors, 1 and itself. So here, 29 is the next prime number. Of course, 27 is not the prime number, it's a composite number because it has factors 1, 3, 9, and 27, as well as 5. 5 is a composite number. It has more than 2 factors, to be precise. So it has factors 1, 5, and 25. So 31 is also a prime number, but the closest one after 23 is 29 before 31. So this one comes. So you can revise, you can practice all the stuff, write down to all the different papers. Some of them you might not see the diagrams being updated and so on, kind of. So down at the bottom here, you can also see different years, okay, that you can practice, okay? So but if you just want to look at all solutions, you can also click here, GCE Ordinary Level Mathematics Solutions. And here you can see this is Heaven's Gates. This paper, you know about Heaven's Gates, which you had online. You can click to see Heaven's Gates. This is one of our top mock papers for the GCE panel. Heaven's Gates, we have the Black June for GCE panel, Heaven's Gates, and Examiner's Bad Hand. Okay, those are the different mock papers that we have for GCE panel. I'm sorry, I know our names are funny and different, but you have Black June, we have Heaven's Gate. You have to enter the gate of heaven. We have the Bad Hand, Examiner's Bad Hand, whatever you call it, yeah, and so on and so forth. So someone's going to ask, what about the other subjects? Yes, we're still working on the other subjects. You have mathematics, accounting, and all of that. So for now, the GCE panel started with mathematics. So we start everything with mathematics. The next thing is going to be economics. So we already did a lot on economics. So we'll just move this one up here so that after math, we have economics and then maybe chemistry and computer science and the others will follow. So just be patient with us. You have your comments or concerns or whatever, you can leave comments down. We're also working on this GCE prep. With this one here, all this other content that is outside the page will not be found on this particular page. And this one will actually be for premium users. So what I mean is those who have paid to use the platform, but these other ones are free. So you can use O level, whatever is free. But if you have to come to GCE prep here, you should be somebody that is actually a premium user of the platform. Maybe a teacher, a student, or anything. And then you can get the paper solutions and whatever you want there. And probably you have to log in. Okay. So if you have any questions or concerns, please, you can always leave your questions and concerns. And perfect. You can contact us. To contact us, you can go directly to our contact page. Contacts. Contact is there. Sometimes if we don't get the information. So know that we use GCE Panel at gmail.com, but we mostly use GCE Math Panel at gmail.com. And our phone number is somewhere down, somewhere on this page. 240615, kind of. 237 674 29230. Okay, it's somewhere in this page. I'll have to ask. I don't know. I have to check. Okay, so what's the homepage? So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to share this contents and with guys and other students. Thank you so much. See you shortly. Bye.